Hey guys, Ollie from Local Knowledge here. Today I'm going to show you a really handy knot that I don't think is that super well known, especially outside of the West Coast. This knot is called the perfection loop. It's also known as the panga knot, the Mexican pongero knot. I've heard it used a bunch of different ways, the loop knot. But what this knot is used for is to connect like a hook to some heavier leader, and it'll allow you to tie a hook with a loop in it so the hook can dangle and give you that extra little bit of action. The other thing that this is great for is tying loops in super heavy line. For instance, if you needed to rig up a marlin lure and you didn't have a crimp kit or whatever, this perfection knot, you can tie it at both ends of the leader. It does a great job and it'll hold up. It is crazy strong. We've caught 300-pound tunas with a knot that was just tied onto a hook, and that was it. No crimp, no nothing. The perfection loop ties in 40-pound or better line. Do not use it in lighter line. You will be very disappointed because it will slip and break. 40-pound and above for a marlin leader, a heavy bait hook, whatever, this is your go-to knot. So first thing you do is take, this is 100-pound leader right here. Obviously pretty hard to tie a knot in, especially in fluoro. And take your leader and you're gonna make a loop. You're gonna pass the tag line behind the main line, pinch it off in your fingers like that, okay? You're gonna make this loop in accordance to the size of the hook because you're gonna pass the hook through that loop in just a second. Thread your hook on or your swivel or whatever to the line. Take the line and now come around your thumb, and you kind of wanna trap your hook or whatever on against your thumbnail like that, or right against your thumb, right? And then I'm gonna take the tag and I'm gonna go back through here, pinch the tag between my thumb and my forefinger. Now you've got your loop you created, your line that's going across your thumbnail, and then the tag end wraps back around and comes out the side. I'm just gonna put the hook through the original loop, and I'm gonna start to cinch this. The heavier the line is, you're gonna kind of have to pay attention to this tag line because the heavier line gets springy. As you cinch it down, you can adjust the size of this loop, right? So if you want to have a big loop, little loop, whatever, now's your chance to kind of figure that out. We're going to go with like a medium-sized loop, let's say. Right now, I'm just going to tie it to something that I can pull on a little bit. As always, make sure you wet your knots. You know, a little water off of the bait tank or some spit. When this knot is tied properly, you will know because the tag end exits at a 90 degree. Go ahead and trim it, and there you go. And this knot is, again, crazy, crazy, crazy strong. I've never had one fail. We use it a lot when we don't have, you know, a crimp kit, or we just want to get a hook onto a leader really quick. This is the knot to go to. It's fast, it's efficient, and it gives you that dangling effect of either a splice, you know, or a loop. Give your bait a little bit of extra action.